This was actually used, but I've been using a lot lately. This vacuum sales makes food prep way easily that I expected. I like that it sells fast and you don't have to wait between bags, so when I'm doing progresses or meal prep, I just keep going. What surprised me most is the built-in scale. I can weigh food right here, then sell it right away without switching tools. That saves time and keeps everything clean. It works great with meal bread and leftovers, and the sales feels thick and solid every time. The buttons are simple, nothing confusing, and it doesn't take up much space on the counter. Overall, it's been super practical for everyday use if you like staying organized in the kitchen and fasting close food. This thing just makes life easier.